Welcome to RTX 2101 and 2801 Power and Signal Interconnection Training. This video will focus on installation of the internal junction box, PLR mounting, and power and signal connections. Let's begin by installing the internal junction box. Refer to the contract-specific riser drawing to identify the J-box mounting locations. To install, remove the screw from the J-box bracket, then align the bracket with the mounting location on the rear vertical. Insert and tighten the screws to mount the bracket. After the J-box is installed, a licensed electrician may terminate field power. Use the power cable and Y cable to connect DC power from the module column accessory power. From the rear view, PLRs are typically mounted in the top right corner of the section. Install PLRs in all locations specified in the contract-specific drawings. To install, remove the screw from the PLR bracket and attach the hook mount to the PLR mounting location within the section. Insert and tighten the screw to secure the PLR. After all PLRs are installed, connect fiber, SATA, and power cables per the contract-specific power and signal riser drawings.